Nile bus traveling from Arua caught fire in the tower in Nwoya, burned, possibly if not saved, because that's just happened. It might be burned to ashes, maybe leaving only the ions. Coming in is nobody has died, and so far, what we know, some luggages were rescued, but a number of the luggages were not yet rescued.
The bus is burning.
Move the tire, it's going to explode. Move the tire.
I've never traveled in Nile.
Sorry. But this is the problem. Why don't they move with enough fire extinguisher? So the big fire extinguisher, they would have saved the situation. Huh?
The small one is not enough.
Can't be.
No, they delayed the...
No, the fire extinguisher is very small. Need a big one.
Wasn't enough.
Not enough at all. Everybody came out, but the bus can't survive. Huh?
Yeah. What actually happened? Is it the tire bus?
The tire burst, and it was the inner tire, and it rubbed on the other one. That's what happened.
Oh no.
But you people, why don't you have enough fire extinguisher? That is very small. You need to have 4.
A full bus like this.
No, if you have 4 or 15 kilo, the bus, it would have helped you. Sorry. No, all your buses should have that.
They have.
No, that's what I'm saying. You need to have 4. 4. You need to have 4.
Now,
would have finished it.
Maybe you can use in California, ask them take people who are from emergency.
But it cannot pass. But now the items of those people, all those things are going to burn.
But most of them we removed them.
No, the ones you put on the roadside is going to burn. Nobody has a fire extinguisher there.
This is
Even useless.
This one is useless.
No, useless, but just to stop the burning.
The fire.
Yes.
This one now fire, unless the fire brigade. But find when it is.
I think that is very unfortunate. Next time we should have 4 or 5 of them. See? 4 or 5.
The whole bus is now burned.
It is now gone. Sorry.
Oh dear, this is why this accident.